What's that? It's me. Stop. What you doing? Nobody. Come down, bear. Come down. Come down. I'm going. Come down. I'll see you. Bye, bear. There, inside. Come on, inside here. Come on. Come here. Ikaw ha, lumulusot ka.
Hey, come here.
Sumama ka sa labas eh, mabilis.
Hey, come here, brother, come here.
Come on. Go. Go and
Come here,
feel
come here,
it.
come here.
Not me. Lalabas, lumabas na eh. What? Oh, sit inside. I have to. It's not.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Come on. Come on, get inside, baby. Get inside. Lumabas.
Tell Lola bye-bye. Come on, tell Lola bye-bye.
Tonight,
It's okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Okay. Bye sa'yo, te.
Oh, it's okay. Get inside there.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm going to work. Come on, get inside. Come on, here, Lola.
Ako na, te, bahala, te.
Come, Lola. Ayaw nang pumasok dito. Aba. Okay, thank you.
Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
I left my pills. I guess we.
Oh, your pills.
For what?
Oh.
They're going to work. Okay? They're going to work. Tapos ako naman mamaya. Iwan kita dito mag-isa, okay? Pagkatapos ko kumain, we gonna go for a walk, right? Pagkatapos ng walk, tayo maliligo at iwan kita, hey. Stay. Stay! Come here. You're gonna be alone, okay? Because after I eat, we gonna go for a walk. Look at me. And then after a walk, I'm gonna take a shower. And I'm gonna leave you here alone and you're gonna be by yourself, understand? Because you know why? I'm having fun with my friend. Okay? And you're gonna be alone, understand me? And you're not barking, right? You're not gonna go barking. You know why? I will eat you alive. Do you understand? Guys, yung aso pag sinasabi kong I will eat him alive, gagalit siya. You understand me? Did you say hello to the people right there? Can you say hello? Hello.